How to fix F29 error on a Vaillant boiler. First, check the boiler display. You should see something like F29 on the display. Don't open the boiler casing. Vaillant specially warns against accessing the inside because gas or combustion components can be dangerous. Step 2. Check whether your gas supply is working. Turn on another gas appliance such as a gas cooker or hob if you have one. If the gas appliance works normally, gas is probably reaching the property. If there's no gas, the F29 may simply be caused by interrupted or insufficient gas supply. If you use a prepayment meter, check that if you have credit. Vaillant specifically recommends checking other gas appliances and the meter when diagnosing F29. Step 3. Look at the condensate pipe. This is especially important if it's freezing outside. The condensate pipe is usually a white plastic pipe coming from the boiler and going toward the drain. If it runs outside, check for ice, visible blockage, water backed up around the pipe, or a pipe that looks frozen. Fourth, if it's frozen, thaw the pipe. If you have confirmed the external condensate pipe is frozen, you can thaw the accessible section using warm, not boiling, warm water or warm cloths. Vaillant's own instructions recommend thawing the frozen condensate pipe and then restarting the boiler. Fifth, restart the boiler. Find the reset button, usually marked with a flame crossed by a line. For modern Vaillant boilers, Vaillant says to press and hold the reset button for about 3 seconds, then wait for the boiler to attempt ignition. Check whether F29 disappears, and then try heating the water again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.